Sorry for the noise. Okay guys, here's the inside of my van, 2022. I've had it for 14 months, and this is how I decorated it. Again, I apologize for all the noise. I'm getting ready to go on a little road trip, so I'm in the process of cleaning this morning. But here's a little tour. I have leather seats. I'm having a time with these curtains. That's my blackout curtains, and I fold them up there. I've tried different rods. I've tried everything, because when I bought the van, that wasn't available. I have plenty of lighting. This here, boy, was that trouble to install this leopard print steering wheel cover. I sweated my badonkadonk off to get this cover on. It was so hard, I had to get a blow dryer. I have Gabby in the house this morning. I'm getting ready to hang this up. I'm a dog mom. I'll spare you the details of opening up all the cabinets. I use this fan. I have this cover up here over my stove top. And again, you know, I'm new to making videos. That's my bathroom. That's that little old shower curtain. Sink. I installed a new shower head. It works good. Gotta fix this. Here's the mirror. This holds a lot of stuff. I mean, I have it jam-packed. This is my second toilet. My husband's foot stepped off of that pedal and he broke it, so we had to install a new toilet. He did that himself. It doesn't get good gas mileage at all. 9 miles to the gallon, sometimes 16 on an open road. But she drinks a lot of gas, but she has the power. Microwave. Fridge has a lot of space. It's real nice. I haven't put my groceries in there yet. This is a closet. My towels up at the top. I have a lot of those whenever we go camping. Freezer has a lot of room, which is nice. I really like this ice box. Well, that's the old terminology, you know, so that's... Anyway, here you go. Cleaning supplies down there. I'm getting ready to do that. And I'm sweating because I have the air conditioner off right now to spare you. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour for now. Thank you. If you stuck around to the end, we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.